लिखिए। Sir, I was referring to the clause which relate to the translation of works. As I said, the main purpose which motivated the joint committee make this provision was that opportunity should be given to people to take advantage of the work written in various languages. It is only through translation that culture can be disseminated in this country. Ours is not a unilingual country. It is in the way of translating works. We put restriction in the way of the advancement of knowledge itself. It is therefore necessary to make the process of translating works from one language to another an easy one. It was with that purpose that this provision was made. I must say that I do see the force of arguments which have been advanced against this provision. It does create some hardship for the authors because they are deprived to some extent of their rights after a period of 10 years. I am, however, willing to accept the amendment which has been proposed by my friend Mr. Sinha with slight alteration. There is some advantage in it. The amendment which has been moved by my friend is on the lines of the Universal Copyright Convention to which India is a signatory. Some members have suggested that the right of translation should be coextensive with the copyright for original work, that is, for a period of 50 years. If we accept that suggestion, it would mean that it would not be possible for us to translate the works of foreign authors for a period of 50 years because they will enjoy the same privileges as our own authors enjoy in this country. Now we know that Indian languages and Indian literature have to go a long way to enrich themselves. We have to produce not only original works in our own languages, but we have to translate many works from foreign languages. If we make this right of translation coextensive with copyright, it may mean that we shall not be able to translate the works of foreign authors, and I am quite sure that the House would not like to put that barrier in the path of intellectual advancement. Therefore, the best alternative under the circumstances is to accept the amendment which has been very ably and very thoughtfully moved by my honorable